Today I'm thrilled to share my favorite recipe, creamy Parmesan milk risotto. With just rice, milk, Parmesan and butter, you can create a luscious, delicious dish. And it's incredibly easy to make. So let's dive into this Italian classic. In a large saucepan, pour in the milk and add the salt. Bring the milk just to a simmer over medium heat, being careful not to let it boil over. Once the milk is steaming hot, add the rice. Stir the rice into the milk, then reduce the heat to low. Allow the risotto to cook at a bare simmer, stirring frequently with a wooden spoon to prevent sticking or scorching on the bottom of the pan. As the rice absorbs the milk, it will slowly release its starches, creating a creamy sauce. Continue cooking and stirring until the rice is tender but still has a slight bite in the center, about 20 minutes total. Remove the risotto from the heat and stir in the butter and Parmesan cheese until fully incorporated and the risotto has a smooth velvety consistency. Serve the milk risotto immediately while hot with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top if desired. Enjoy!